It was in recognition of this truth, in my State of the Nation address last year, I invited Kenyans to begin looking beyond today's challenges and to start reflecting on what our future should look like. As part of that national reflection, I informed the nation of my extensive consultation with current and former national leaders, including my predecessor, President Uhuru Kenyatta, and the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga. I have also engaged governors, members of parliament, business leaders, professionals, scholars, and young people. In my conversation with the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga, he consistently reminded me that no nation has ever developed without inclusivity and unity in diversity. I remember he mentioned to me about infrastructure, and infrastructure. My discussions with President Uhuru Kenyatta similarly underscored the importance of continuity in national development and the need to build upon foundations already laid. Together with many other engagements, those reflections reinforced a simple but profound lesson. Every nation that has transformed itself first imagined a future greater than its present, and then pursued that future with discipline, consistency, and patience. In that same State of the Nation address, I informed Kenyans that having restored stability, rebuilt confidence, strengthened our economy, and laid the foundation for sustained inclusive growth under the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, we were now ready to take Kenya to the next level.